Joe Luque over at Phillips Chevrolet with two of our most favorite customers of the year for 2012. Jackie and Kendall Welsh, they're getting a brand new 2012 Traverse. All right. You see how happy she looks? She's excited. Kendall, would you say you had a good experience with us?
We did. It was fantastic.
Would you come back and see us again?
For sure.
She would.
Yeah, we would.
She's one of our favorites, for sure.
So would the goat.
She has a goat as well. Make sure you guys come out and see us at Phillips Chevrolet.